Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will explain that why your brother printer not connecting to Wi-Fi and provide a better solution. Watch the complete video. In the first step, reboot your brother printer to resolve the not connecting to Wi-Fi issue. You just need to turn it off and turn it back on again. When it's still not connecting, then you may have to unplug it completely, then plug it back in. I hope this will work, otherwise try the next step. In this step, you need to remove and re-add your brother printer. To do this, go to Settings, then click on the Bluetooth devices, then select Printers Scanners and choose your brother printer, and then click Remove option. Then click Add Device to re-add it to the device list. Sometimes printer not connecting to Wi-Fi due to any driver or firmware update needed. Check the brother printer's drivers and firmware. If there any need to update the drivers and software, then update it. When the update will completed, then restart the printer. Then reconnect with your Wi-Fi network. Try to move your brother printer closer to your router and then try to connect. Sometimes, your printer need a strong Wi-Fi signal to connect. When you move your printer closer to the router, then it will easily detect the Wi-Fi network. When it will connected, then you can change the placement of your printer. If these steps can't help you to fix your brother printer not connecting to Wi-Fi, then you can reach us. There might be some communication issue. We will help you to fix the connection issues. Thanks for watching the complete video.